Hello everyone! To test the performance of our FLB series battery in cold condition, today we are running a simulation in a climate chamber. Now, the battery is placed in the temp and humidity test chamber and we connect it to an inverter. We set the temperature minus 20 degrees Celsius. After 8 hours, let's see how the battery performs in such a low temperature. As you can see, the battery starts up normally and the power indicator turns yellow. That means the heating system is working now. Let's continue to check the status of battery charging and discharging via our Fsolar app. Look, the battery is discharging from 80% down to 60%, and now we are charging it. It is going from 60% back up to 80%. When the temperature drops to 0 degrees or below, the built-in BMS automatically sends a signal to the heating system to raise the battery's internal temperature. Once the battery reaches around 10 degrees Celsius, the battery will stop heating automatically. With our batteries, you and your family stay warm and bright through the winter.